Okay, so let's say we want to forward our phone number that we purchased to a phone number that we already are using currently as our business number. All of these, the messages and phone calls that you will receive going to the number that you purchase inside of 360 Ascension will be forwarded over to your phone number that you have in hand for your business number, or a previous one that you've already purchased before you've gotten onto this platform and purchased a number through here. So in order to add a forwarding number, we are going to click or make sure that we're on the number of our choosing to forward a number from. And then we're going to click on the vertical dots on the right hand side, and then we're going to click on edit configuration. Okay, at the top here, you will see name your number, and then you will see forward calls to. And then you'll type in your phone number that you want the any of your calls, messages to forward to. So I'm going to put in my original business number. All right, and then I'm going to click on save. And now you've added a forwarding number.